Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Silicone Glide hair removal device. First, prepare your skin by ensuring it is clean, dry, and free of any lotions or creams. It's crucial to shave the treatment area completely before each session for optimal results. Also, always perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous skin area at least 24 hours before your first full treatment to check for any adverse reactions. This ensures a safe and effective experience. When you begin, always start with the lowest energy level, which is level 1, to allow your skin to adjust. If you feel comfortable, you can gradually increase the energy level in subsequent sessions. For effective treatment, ensure the device's treatment window is placed completely flat against your skin. This ensures proper contact and allows the light pulses to reach the hair follicles effectively, maximizing your results with each use. For the best results, follow a consistent treatment schedule. During the initial phase, treat each desired area once every 2 weeks for the first 4 sessions. After this, you can reduce the frequency to once a month for the next 4 sessions. When applying, glide the device slowly and evenly over the skin, ensuring you cover the entire area without overlapping too much to achieve comprehensive hair reduction. After completing your hair removal session, it's important to care for your skin. Apply a gentle, non-irritating moisturizer to the treated areas to soothe and hydrate. For at least 24 hours post-treatment, avoid direct sun exposure on the treated skin. Finally, always clean the device's treatment window with a dry, soft cloth after each use to maintain hygiene and ensure its longevity. Proper care ensures continued effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.